Hi Sagittarius! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. If this reading is not for you, just leave it for a friend. You can also watch your moon and rising placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Sagittarius, let us see what are the messages for you. Okay. So, Sagittarius, okay? Madaming taong umaasa sa inyo, okay? You are capable to provide and share the blessings that you have. Okay, may mga projects kayo or may mga ginagawa kayo sa trabaho. Maybe you're about to launch it. Okay? Tinitingnan ninyo kung merong magagandang balita about sa ginagawa ninyo, magandang resulta. For some of you are looking forward for abundance and prosperity na darating sa inyo as a result of your hard work. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, kumukuha ng mga information. Okay. Kinakamusta yung mga projects or yung mga trabaho, yung mga developments sa mga ginagawa nyo. Okay. Okay. You really want this? You really want to succeed, Sagittarius, in what you are doing? Merong mga bagong solusyon, bagong balita na darating. May mga enlightenment, kasiyahan na matutuwa ka sa resulta. Good news. And you will feel very victorious. Okay? People will celebrate with you, Sagittarius. You know what you are doing. You are very skilled of it. Pinoproteksyonan ninyo yung trabaho ninyo, yung ginagawa ninyo. Madaming nangingialam, maraming may gusto or nag-aantay ng mga impormasyon sa inyo. Some are negative, but you are quite protective and defensive. Okay? Sa sarili ninyo at sa trabaho ninyo. Sa projects ninyo. Creative projects. Passion projects. Business. Yeah, there are a lot of things in your mind already. Marami kang gustong gawin. Marami kang gagawin at the same time. Marami mga prospects, marami mga customers or clients. But be careful for those sa mga mapaglinlang or hindi totoong tao. Okay? Hindi magaganda yung intensyon sa inyo. Okay? Be careful. Okay? Do not be trusting to all people. Maging mapanuri, Sagittarius, sa mga kausap, sa mga kadilings ninyo, Sagittarius, even at work, in the office. Be careful sa mga office mates na hindi maganda yung intensyon, may mga hidden agendas, okay, or agenda. Yeah. Kailangan mo maging mapagmatsyag. Be very logical sa inyong mga desisyon. Okay? If you have questions, speak it, express it, para malaman mo kung ano yung totoong intensyon. Okay? You've been working too hard, Sagittarius, so kailangan mo rin ng pahinga. Okay? Marami kang iniisip, nagme-meditate ka, na merong magandang pangyayari, malaking grasya na dumating to provide for your family, na ma-meet yung mga materials and emotional needs or pangangailangan ng family mo. Okay? And you're living a situation na hindi na nakakatulong sa inyo. You are moving forward. Okay? Ini-ignore nyo yung mga taong nag-aabang, nag-aantay at nag-iisip ng hindi maganda. Walang tiwala. Okay? Walang tiwala. And you are very protective of yourself now, of the things that you are doing. Yeah. Okay. Merong invitations. Okay. Invitations to discuss something. Okay. About distribution. Okay. Merong may mag-o-offer ng tulong to proceed further or mangyari yung mga kailangan mong gawin. Okay? Some of you will be receiving money. Ingat sa mga lies. Okay? Mga betrayal. Okay? Ingat sa mga kasamahan na may mga pang-sariling intensyon. Okay? Deceptions. Okay. Marami kang pinaplano na gustong gawin, okay? Gustong puntahan, gustong bilhin. Okay? But maraming tao ang nangingialam. Okay? Merong conflict, mga kompetisyon na inaagaw yung gusto mo. Maraming may gusto sa posisyon mo, Sagittarius. Pero ikaw, go ka lang sa mga plans mo. Be careful sa mga taong hindi sincere. Okay? Hindi trusted na mga tao. Mag-ingat ka sa mga ganyan. Sa mga false intentions or mga hindi totoong tao sa inyo. Maging mapagmatsyag, Sagittarius. Yung iba, kumukuha lang ng mga information sa'yo. Okay? And to use it against you. Ayan. And whatever decision that you are making or yung mga plans mo, be firm. Okay? And validate the situation. Yung mga nangyayari, yung mga proseso. Para hindi ka maisahan, hindi ka maloko. Okay? Madami kang ginagawa. There are so much things going on in your mind. Okay? Needs focus. Sagittarius. Okay, let's see what are other messages for you. More messages, please, for Sagittarius. Flute. Disappointment in a friend or lover. Okay, maybe some of your friends are not supportive of you. May mga disruption, okay, sa mga ginagawa mo, or a lover is disappointing you. Okay. Dog barking, advice from a friend. Money path, a path with money is waiting for you to find it. Okay. Maybe there is a loyal friend, na magbibigay sa'yo ng mga information, okay, advice na pwede mong i-take, okay. A path with money, okay, magbibigay ng direksyon sa inyo on how to get that, on how to get your wish. Great passion, okay, you have a great passion in your work, affairs with your family, okay, may mga family events, activities, or celebration, or mga issues and concerns with your family na kailangan ng atensyon. Okay. Dragon, beware of self-delusion. Okay. So, beware of that, Sagittarius. Stay on the path. Huwag mawalan ng pag-asa, Sagittarius. Just be careful sa mga taong naninira sa inyo. Okay? Or or mga taong hindi totoo. Mga kompetisyon, okay? Sinisiraan ka not for you not to get ahead. Let's see, ano pa yung mga mensahe sa inyo? Maraming may gusto sa ginagawa ninyo. Okay? They want to benefit from what you're doing. Okay? Sagittarius. Message, more message for Sagittarius, please. Sometimes, walking away is the only option, not because you want to make someone miss you or realize they took you for granted, but because you finally respect yourself enough to know you deserve better. Okay? So, know your worth, Sagittarius. Okay? So, yun lang ang message sa inyo. Mag-ingat sa mga taong nakapaligid sa inyo, okay? And good luck to you, Sagittarius. Thank you and see you on the next video. Bye!